Have you ever dreamed of working in Europe? Picture yourself stepping into a world where your skills are truly valued, and every day brings new opportunities for growth and discovery. Europe, with its rich tapestry of cultures and traditions, is opening its doors to dedicated healthcare professionals like you. Imagine living in a city full of history, culture, and new experiences. Stroll through cobblestone streets lined with charming cafes, explore vibrant markets, and immerse yourself in the art, music, and cuisine that make Europe so unique. Every corner tells a story, and every day is a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime. Right now, Belgium and France are searching for skilled nurses and caregivers from around the world. These countries recognize the vital role that international professionals play in their healthcare systems, and they are eager to welcome compassionate, talented individuals who want to make a real difference. This is more than a job. It's a chance to build a new life for yourself and your family. Imagine your loved ones thriving in safe, welcoming communities with access to excellent schools, healthcare, and a high standard of living. The work you do will not only support your career, but also open doors for your family's future. Hospitals and care homes in these countries have many openings and are making it easier for international professionals to join. They understand the challenges of moving abroad and are committed to helping you every step of the way, from your first application to your first day on the job. They offer support with visas, housing, and even language training. You'll have guidance through the paperwork, help finding comfortable accommodation, and resources to help you settle in smoothly. Your transition to a new country will be supported by a team that cares about your success. The best part? You don't need an IELTS certificate for these roles. That's right, your passion and experience matter more than a test score. This means you can focus on what you do best, caring for others and advancing your career. Instead, you'll get the opportunity to learn French or Dutch, often with employer-paid training. Language classes are designed to help you communicate confidently with patients and colleagues, making your integration into the community smoother and more enjoyable. Employers are investing in your future from day one. From welcome kits to mentorship programs, you'll feel supported and appreciated as you begin this exciting new chapter. Your growth and well-being are a top priority. If you're a dedicated nurse or compassionate caregiver, this is your moment. Your skills are in high demand, and your empathy can change lives. Every patient you help, every family you comfort, adds to the legacy of care that Europe is known for. Use your skills to help people, earn a good salary, and enjoy a high quality of life. Competitive pay, generous benefits, and a healthy work-life balance mean you can pursue your passions both inside and outside of work. This is an invitation to start a new chapter, full of growth, new friendships, and adventure. Join a diverse community of healthcare professionals from around the world, share experiences, and build lifelong connections as you explore everything Europe has to offer. Your European journey could begin as soon as 2025. The process is straightforward, and with the right guidance, you could be starting your new life sooner than you think. Imagine where you could be just a year from now. Don't let language or paperwork hold you back. Every step is designed to be accessible, and there are people ready to help you overcome any challenges. Your dream is within reach. With the right support, you can thrive in a welcoming environment. You'll find mentors, friends, and colleagues who understand your journey and want to see you succeed. Take the bold step toward an exciting future. Embrace the adventure, the challenges, and the rewards that come with building a life in Europe. Your expertise is valued and needed. European healthcare systems are eager for your knowledge, your compassion, and your commitment to excellence. Imagine the possibilities for you and your loved ones. New experiences, new opportunities, and a brighter future await you in Europe. Europe is waiting for you. The journey may seem daunting, but with every step, you'll discover just how rewarding it can be. Will you answer the call? Your future in Europe is just a decision away. Take the first step today and unlock a world of possibilities. Why are these jobs available now? The answer lies in a combination of social, demographic, and economic changes that are reshaping the very fabric of healthcare in Europe. Across Belgium and France, the need for skilled healthcare workers has never been more urgent or more promising for those seeking a meaningful career. Belgium and France, like much of Europe, have aging populations. Every year, the number of people over the age of 65 increases, and with longer life expectancies, the demand for care continues to rise. This shift is transforming communities as more families require support for their elderly loved ones. More elderly people means a greater need for healthcare professionals. Nurses, caregivers, and support staff are essential to ensure that seniors receive the attention, dignity, and medical care they deserve. The personal connection you bring to your work can make a profound difference in someone's life. Hospitals and care homes are stretched and urgently need skilled staff. The pressure on healthcare systems is growing, and facilities are actively seeking new team members to help meet the needs of their patients. This is not just a short-term challenge, it's a long-term shift in how care is delivered. Major cities like Paris, Lyon, Brussels, and Antwerp are hot spots for recruitment. These urban centers are home to world-class hospitals and care facilities, offering a wide range of opportunities for healthcare professionals at every stage of their careers. These cities offer not just jobs, but vibrant multicultural lifestyles. You'll find diverse communities, rich cultural experiences, and a welcoming environment for newcomers. Living and working here means being part of a dynamic society that values inclusion and innovation. Recruitment events and job fairs are held regularly, making it easier than ever to connect with potential employers and learn about available positions. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, there's a place for you. Governments are making it easier for international professionals to join their workforce. Policies are being updated to attract skilled workers from around the world, recognizing the vital role that international talent plays in strengthening healthcare systems. Visa processes are streamlined and foreign qualifications are recognized. This means you can transition into your new role with less bureaucracy and more support, allowing you to focus on what matters most, providing excellent care. Your contribution will be highly valued and respected. Patients, families, and colleagues appreciate the dedication and compassion that international healthcare workers bring to their roles. This is a stable, long-term career path, not just a temporary trend. The need for healthcare professionals is expected to grow for decades, offering job security and the chance to build a lasting career. The demand for nurses and caregivers will only grow in the coming years. As populations continue to age, the healthcare sector will remain one of the most reliable and rewarding fields to work in. By moving to Belgium or France, you're entering a secure job market. You'll have the opportunity to settle in a new country, experience a different culture, and enjoy a high quality of life while pursuing your professional goals. There are real opportunities for promotion and specialization. With ongoing training and professional development, you can advance into leadership roles, specialize in areas like geriatrics or intensive care, and shape the future of healthcare. You'll be part of a robust healthcare system that values your growth. Supportive colleagues, mentorship programs, and a commitment to continuous learning ensure that you can thrive both personally and professionally. Make a difference every day while building a future for yourself. The work you do will have a lasting impact on individuals, families, and entire communities. The need is real, and your skills are essential. If you're ready to take the next step, Belgium and France are waiting for you to join their dedicated teams and help shape the future of care. Who are European employers looking for? Registered nurses with a diploma or degree are in high demand. Nurses are needed in general medicine, surgery, geriatrics, and pediatrics. Even with just a year or two of experience, you're encouraged to apply. Caregivers and healthcare assistants are also needed, especially those with experience supporting the elderly or disabled. Formal qualifications help, but proven experience and compassion matter most. To be eligible, you'll need your nursing or caregiving credentials from your home country. Employers want reliable, hardworking people eager to learn and adapt. A positive attitude and willingness to embrace a new culture are key. Teamwork and communication skills are essential. Showing interest in learning French or Dutch will make your application stand out. They're looking for future community members, not just employees. If you're passionate about care, you're the right fit. The application process is straightforward when broken into steps. First, secure a job offer and contract before leaving your home country. Your employer will sponsor your visa and guide you through the paperwork. They'll help you get your qualifications recognized and translated. Paid language training often starts online before you travel. On arrival, you'll get help with accommodation, banking, and local registration. Employers aim to make your transition smooth and stress-free. With this support, you can focus on your new job and life. Your European adventure starts with a single application. Worried about language tests? For these jobs, IELTS isn't required. Instead, employers invest in your success with paid French or Dutch language training. Training is tailored for healthcare professionals, focusing on medical vocabulary and real-life communication. Many programs start online before you move, so you can build a foundation early. Once in Europe, immersive classes and daily practice help you learn quickly. This approach ensures you're ready to communicate with patients and colleagues. Employers know language is key to great care and community integration. Learning the local language helps you feel at home and thrive. You'll make friends, understand the culture, and grow professionally. No English exam stress, just real support for your new life. This system empowers you to succeed in every way. Your language journey is part of your European adventure. Landing your dream job as a nurse or caregiver in Europe starts with a CV that truly stands out from the crowd. Your CV is your first impression. It's your personal marketing tool, and it needs to showcase your skills, experience, and professionalism in a way that's clear and compelling. Use a simple, clean format. Avoid tables, fancy graphics, or colorful designs. Recruiters and employers prefer CVs that are easy to read and straightforward. Stick to standard fonts and clear headings so your information is accessible at a glance. Carefully read the job description and include important keywords such as registered nurse, patient support, or elderly care. These keywords help your CV get noticed by both automated systems and human recruiters, increasing your chances of being shortlisted. Clearly list your qualifications, certifications, and work experience, starting with your most recent job. Include your education, relevant training, and any special skills that set you apart, such as language abilities or experience with specific patient groups. Use bullet points and strong action verbs like managed, coordinated, or supported to highlight your achievements and responsibilities. This makes your CV easier to scan and shows employers exactly what you've accomplished. Always tailor your cover letter for each application. Explain why you're passionate about the role and how your background makes you the perfect fit. Mention specific reasons you want to work in that hospital or country, and show that you've done your research. Be extremely cautious of scams. Real employers will never ask you to pay large fees upfront or request your personal bank details during the application process. If something feels off, trust your instincts and double-check before sharing sensitive information. Watch for red flags like fake job offers, urgent requests for money, or pressure to make quick decisions. Scammers often use high-pressure tactics to trick job seekers, so take your time and verify every offer. Always apply through official hospital websites or trusted recruitment platforms. Check the website's authenticity and look for contact details you can verify independently. If possible, reach out to the hospital directly to confirm the job posting. Mentorship programs are a valuable resource. Experienced mentors can help you review job offers, spot potential scams, and guide you through the application process. They can also share their own experiences and answer your questions. These programs connect you with real employers and provide expert guidance, making your job search safer and more effective. You'll gain confidence knowing you have support every step of the way. Protect yourself and your future by using only verified channels and trusted contacts. Never share personal information unless you're sure the employer is legitimate. With the right support, your journey to Europe can be both safe and successful. Take the time to prepare, stay alert, and use all the resources available to you. Start strong with a well-prepared CV and trusted advice, and you'll be ready to take the next step in your international healthcare career. Ready to take the next step? Start by preparing your CV, cover letter, and documents. Organize your qualifications and proof of experience for a smooth application. Seek expert guidance. Mentorship programs are designed for international healthcare workers. Mentors help you perfect your application, prepare for interviews, and connect with real employers. They also provide access to language resources and scam protection. Continuous support makes your move less overwhelming. Your dream of working in Europe is within reach. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take action today. Research mentorship programs and reach out for help. They're ready to answer your questions and guide you. Your skills are needed, and a welcoming new home awaits. Belgium and France are ready for you. Your new career and adventure are just a few clicks away.